Dash Coin has taken a sharp fall in the last 24 hours, currently trading around $80, after a steep 30% drop that caught many traders off guard. This sudden dip comes right after a short-lived rally earlier in the week, leaving investors wondering what exactly triggered this correction and whether Dash can bounce back. One major factor behind the recent drop appears to be profit-taking from short-term traders who jumped in during Dash's earlier pump. After several days of strong gains driven by renewed optimism in privacy-focused coins, the market saw heavy sell pressure as whales began offloading their holdings near resistance levels around $110 to $120. Once that selling momentum started, panic spread quickly across exchanges, pushing Dash back down toward $80. Another reason behind the dump could be related to regulatory fears resurfacing in the privacy coin sector. Over the past week, reports have circulated that some exchanges are reviewing their listings of privacy-related tokens amid stricter compliance standards. Even though Dash has tried to rebrand itself away from the privacy coin label, it still gets grouped with projects like Monero and Zcash, and that association sometimes triggers uncertainty among traders. On the technical side, Dash's chart clearly shows a strong rejection at major resistance, followed by a breakdown below key support near $90. This level had been holding for several days, but once it broke, a wave of stop losses and automated selling accelerated the decline. Despite the fall, the $75 to $80 zone is now acting as a new support range, where buyers may start accumulating again if the broader market sentiment stabilizes. In terms of future targets, analysts are watching closely to see if Dash can hold above $75 in the short term. If this support remains strong and market sentiment recovers, the coin could attempt to retest $90 to $100 within the next few days. But if the pressure continues, there's a risk of further decline towards $65 to $70 before finding a stronger base. Despite today's dump, many long-term holders believe Dash still has potential, especially with its focus on fast, low-cost payments and a decentralized governance system that funds development directly through its blockchain rewards. That sustainability model continues to make Dash one of the more resilient legacy projects in crypto. So, while Dash's 30% correction may look harsh, it could also represent a classic case of market reset after overextension. If the project delivers on its upcoming upgrades and Bitcoin's market direction stays bullish, Dash might soon regain strength and reclaim the $100 mark, but for now, it's a waiting game as traders watch how the market reacts around its current support levels.